Today I'm going to show you how to use your own pictures on Leonardo AI so you can guide the AI with an image reference and get results that match your vision much more closely. This is great if you want to recreate a style, improve an idea, or use a photo as the starting point for a new generation. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI and go into your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll choose the image generation workflow you want to use. Click it and then select your preferred model. Different models can give you different styles, levels of detail, and overall looks, so pick the one that best fits the kind of image you want to create. After that, take a moment to set your generation settings. You can adjust the quality, the style, the image dimensions, and the number of generations. These settings matter because they help control how your final results will look. If you want something more polished, increase the quality. If you want a certain visual vibe, choose the style that matches your goal. And if you need a specific format, like square, portrait, or landscape, make sure the dimensions are set correctly before you continue. Now look for the text prompt bar. This is where Leonardo AI will read your instructions, so this is an important part of the process. Before typing your prompt, you can upload an image reference. To do that, click the upload button and then choose the photo from your local storage. Select the picture you want to use and upload it into Leonardo AI. Once the image is added, the AI can use it as a visual guide while generating your result. This is especially useful if you want the new image to follow the composition, style, colors, or general idea of your reference picture. You can use your own photos, product shots, concept art, or any image you've saved on your device, as long as you have the right to use it. The reference image helps give the AI more context, which usually leads to better and more accurate results. Next, type your text prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want Leonardo AI to create. You can describe the subject, the background, the lighting, the style, and any other details that matter to you. The better your prompt, the better the output will usually be. If you're combining a picture reference with a prompt, make sure your text supports the image instead of confusing the direction. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your prompt and your uploaded reference image, then create the result based on your settings. After that, review the output and see how closely it matches what you had in mind. If needed, you can refine the prompt, adjust the settings, or try a different image reference and generate again. And that's how you use your pictures on Leonardo AI. It's a simple but powerful way to get more control over your AI-generated images and make the results feel much more personalized. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.